on, so. All right, let's tag everybody to it. How you guys doing? Alrighty. There it is. Hey Travis, how's it going, man? Kyle, just tag everybody quick here. Matthew, I got that trade. So Matthew and Nick traded the Indians and Twins. Anybody else want to make last minute trades while I'm tagging? Just let me know. Hey Anthony, how you doing? Travis. And then we got Mike. And looks like a lot of the better teams got spread out. That's cool. Brad, Travis, Mike, Corey's in it. And we got Mike Keff is in his first break with us. Welcome, Mike. Nick Conrad. And we got James is in his second break with us. Welcome back. And that's it. Bowman Chrome is live. Nice. Not bad. It's warming up here. We had a 50 degree day today. So that's kind of cool. We didn't really even have a winter. I think we got 6 total inches. One 1-inch storm and one 5-inch storm. And that was it. Now watch, we'll get like 20 inches in April or something. It's usually how it works. Alright. What do we got? I got another one of these. I got 3 more boxes of Bowman. I think I'm just putting them up super cheap, easy, quick random breaks and get rid of them. Working on that. There's still, I think, 18 spots left in that Immaculate break, too, because some good teams left. We pulled some pretty nice hits out of the last one. So let's see. I'll put them up as fillers. I'm just waiting for a few more to go before we do that. Maybe get it down like 10 teams or 11 teams left, and I'll start throwing fillers up. All right. 1 box quick break here of Bowman Chrome. Let's start it. Let me get the sleeves out. Actually, I have some here. Cool. Sleeves, and I got the 59 pointers because these are chrome. All right. For some reason, I tend to do decently on these 1-boxers. Hopefully, we can get the ones that fire in. Too many boxes. 67. Oh, nice. That's coming. I would just like to see one giant storm once this winter. But I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, we don't get any snow. Okay. First mini box. There's 6 packs in each. And I believe there's 1 autograph in each one in the mini box. All cards shipped, so, there's numbered cards in here. There's rookies, whatnot. Alright, here we go. First box. We got Austin Warner, Joe Jacques. There's a Jonathan India. Nathan, that looks like a refractor. Stat tracker. I'll toss that in a sleeve real quick. It's a refractor. There's a Kopech rookie card for the White Sox and Astudillo of the Twins. What else we got? Pack 2. We've got Hannah, the A's, Meadows, Detroit, Hiora, Arizona League. Insert. I'll put that over here with that one. And then Cedric Mullins of the Orioles and Altuve of the Astros. I can get cases of this, and I can get cases of 18 Bowman Chrome. I know 20 Bowman is coming soon, but we got another month before that comes out. If you guys want to do any more Bowman, maybe the Chrome is what we want to do. Kirilloff. It's not too expensive. Yeah, there's a number card coming up. There's Sean Anderson. And De Los Santos, numbered card for the Phillies. Numbered refractor rookie. 317 out of 499 up by the Bowman Chrome there. So the Phillies get on the board. Who's got the Phillies? We've got Nick Shuttleworth. Grabbed them in the random. There's our first numbered card. Numbered rookie for the Phillies. Moncada and Brian Anderson. We got a nice Brian Anderson out of Immaculate the other night. What do we have here? Jose Devers, the Marlins. Zach Brown, Milwaukee. We got Nolan Gorman, Stat Tracker. And I'll sleeve that because it's a fractor. And then we've got a Toussaint rookie card, purple, 137 out of 250 for the Braves. Braves went to, is that up at the top? Mike says he gets him. Toussaint rookie card, purple. And we got Justin Turner for the Dodgers. There's 2 numbered cards so far in the first half. Funkhauser for Detroit. Javier for the Twins. There he is. Leonardo Jimenez for the Blue Jays. Nice. Not a bad auto to get. First Bowman. Blue Jay autograph. Jimenez. Blue Jays went to Kyle Kelleher. He probably won't see this until tomorrow morning. I think he's at work. Right after that, we've got a Vlad Guerrero Jr. rookie card. That's cool. And Ronald Guzman of the Texas Rangers. Okay. Hudson Potts. Armenteros of the A's. There's a Bo Naylor refractor for Cleveland. 444 out of 499. Another numbered card. That's 3. Indians get one. And then we've got the Royals, Billy Hamilton and Castellanos of Detroit base cards. And that's the first half. Alright, what do we got in the second half here? I like these little $6 breaks. Pretty simple. Not breaking the bank. Good shot at winning something, maybe. Second box. Good luck, everybody. We got Michael King, first Bowman of the Yankees. Eli White of the Rangers. There's a Julio Pablo Martinez stat tracker for the Rangers. Insert there. And we've got Mookie Betts as a Red Sox and Rowdy Tellez rookie card for the Blue Jays. Alright, what else we got? What am I doing? We got Newton, first Bowman for the Mets. Stafford for the Pirates. Chu for the Indians, Arizona League. And then we've got rookie cards of Urias and Jake Bowers, San Diego and Cleveland. Oh, I see something. Levine. There's Bryce Terang. There's your elite farmhands, Jordan Adams. I'll toss that in sleeve quick. Gives you one per box. Whit Merrifield and Eloy Jimenez, rookie card for the White Sox. I'll sleeve that. We got a nice one of him out of the Immaculate Break too. His rookie patch auto. It's a sweet looking card. And I think they're still available in the second one. Alright, we got Clark Schmidt. We got Anderson Tejada. We've got an Andrew Neisner for the Cardinals stat tracker. And Machado and Rhys Hoskins. Base cards. Auto hasn't pulled in the second one yet. I think this might be the one. Yeah, I think it is. Gilliam of the Yankees, first Bowman. Rocchio of the Indians. And Francisco Morales of the Phillies. Refractor auto. 329 out of 499. Phillies get him. Who's that, Nick? I believe it is. Yep, Nick Shuttleworth gets the Phillies autograph. Oh, stop. Killing my... Morales. And we got Acuna Jr. and Treinen of the A's and the Braves. And then the final pack. This little one box break. We got red in it. See the red coming? We have Kirk for the Blue Jays. Ortiz for the Dodgers. I'm going to end it on the red. Canning rookie card for the Angels. Buster Posey for the Giants. Robinson Ortiz for the Dodgers. And then we're ending on a red. Grayson Rodriguez of the Orioles. Numbered 4 out of 5. Nice. Rare red card. Who has the Orioles? That would be Kyle Kelleher. Beautiful. Orioles pick up a red. Yeah, I'd take any red. They're tough to get. 4 out of 5. That's how we end it. So your hits. Grayson Rodriguez at the Orioles, 4 out of 5. There you go, Kyle. Boom. Last card pulled. Phillies, Morales. Refractor auto, number to 499. Naylor, Bo Naylor, number to 499. Refractor for the Indians. Jimenez for the Blue Jays. I think that's Kyle as well. We got Toussaint, 137 out of 250 purple for the Braves. And we've got Phillies De Los Santos refractor, 499 rookie card. There are your hits. I'll just show you the stat trackers. Neisner for the Cardinals. There's an Eloy Jimenez rookie card. Elite Farmhands Jordan Adams for the Angels. Chu, Arizona League for the Indians. We got Pablo Martinez stat tracker for Texas. We got a Vlad Guerrero rookie card. We got Nolan Gorman stat tracker for St. Louis. We've got Hiora for the Brewers, Arizona League. And we've got Jonathan India for the Reds stat tracker. And there you go, guys. Quick one boxer. Not bad. Pulled a red out of it. Pulled a purple out of it. Got a Jimenez autograph. Morales. Good to go. I'll put another one up. I'll probably alternate them. I mean, I could do another Bowman Chrome, but I've got 18 Bowman and 14 Bowman drafts sitting here. I might put that up as a 2-boxer. Keep them cheap. Get them out of here. And, you know, we'll keep focusing on that Immaculate Break, too. Try and get another one filled while I can get him. He's got Flawless. If it's up there again, I'm going to ask him if he can hold it for a week maybe and maybe get some Flawless for you. Because he has it. So, we'll see. All right, guys. If you have any questions, message me anytime. Appreciate it. Have a great night.